Have you been searching in Google what is the easiest wash day routine ever? Well, guess what? In this video, I'm going to give you exactly that. After you watch this video, you will never struggle and spend hours on wash day ever again. Let's get into it. Now, before we get started, make sure you go ahead and subscribe here to my channel and then give this video a thumbs up, and that is going to trigger the algorithm to let them know that you really like me. And if you don't, you can just take the like back and then they won't let you know nothing. Okay, so in this sense, I am getting ready to take out these clip-in hair extensions. If you didn't catch the video of me putting these in, then check the link in the description box below, because listen, your girl sweats in her sleep. Comment below if you sweat in your sleep. And I sweat in my sleep. Took the clip-ins out that afternoon, woke up in the morning, and this is how my hair looks, because sometimes, depending on that time of the month, I will wake up and my whole body will be wet from sweat. Yes, so this is the case where I'm going to go ahead and detangle my hair first, and we're using Olaplex. I want you guys to notice that my Olaplex video is 2 years old, and I was using Olaplex way before then. So I know that Olaplex is all of the craze right now, but your girl is not hopping on the Olaplex bandwagon. I've been telling y'all about Olaplex for years, and I'm so happy that it is finally catching on. But I just want to say that. So now I am combing through, like I said, detangling my hair. I know things look crazy, but I have a very high sebum level, aka a very oily scalp and very oily skin, just all the way together. So I want you guys to know that before you shampoo your hair, one of the most important parts as it pertains to length retention is detangling the hair properly. But first, we're going to go in with the treatment that I always do right after I stretch my hair, silk press my hair. So make sure that if you are interested in Olaplex, you check the link in the description box below. I am making a pro mix of this, but Olaplex always listens to professionals, and we asked for a version of Olaplex 1 treatment that we would give to our clients professionally for you as the consumer to be able to have on your own, and Olaplex 0 does exactly that. So if you want to do this exact thing to your hair, then make sure you check the links in the description box below, and they are affiliate links, you guys. So when you go to the link that I provide you, it is straight to Olaplex's website, straight to their website. All right, so I really want you guys to keep that in mind. But yeah, right now I am putting Olaplex 1 on my hair, and this will be Olaplex 0 for you. And then after this sits in my hair for about 10 minutes, then I'm going to go ahead and follow up with Olaplex 2, which would be 3 for you. If you're confused at all, make sure you check the links left in the description box below. But for everyone who deals with straightening their hair or anything like that, leave me some comments below. How many of you have had your hair look like this and thought, oh my god, I have heat damage, and then you get scissors and just start chopping away? Well, guess what? You're gonna see by the end of this video that you did not have to do that. Your curl pattern is not a representation of the health of your hair in any way, shape, or form. I know a lot of people aren't gonna want to hear that, but that's what it is. There are so many clients that I would have that come in with their hair looking like that, and if they just got an Olaplex treatment, they would see everything's okay. Oh yeah, by the way, I love the coldest water, and this cup has my name on it. My stuff will literally stay cold all day. Sometimes I'll leave, my cup on the side of the bed, right, with ice in it, wake up in the morning, ice cube still intact. I'm just saying. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and put this Olaplex on. It has been 10 minutes since I put Olaplex 1 on. Remember, 0 for you. And so now I'm going and following up and slapping on this Olaplex 2. But remember, if you purchase, it's going to be Olaplex 0 and Olaplex 3 again. If you're confused, check the videos in the description box below. But remember, whenever you are straightening your hair, all you're doing is is rearranging the bonds in your hair temporarily. Anytime you do heat styling, you're only rearranging them temporarily. Whenever you do any type of chemical service like a relaxer, that's rearranging the bonds permanently, right? Literally taking away some of the protein that's in the hair, rearranging things around. But in this case, we're only doing it temporarily because the hydrogen bond is what we're dealing with and breaking, and the hydrogen bond is only broken temporarily by water. So because the hydrogen bond is only broken temporarily by water, then that means that I can put that bond back together if I have the right routines and the patterns, right? So that is what I'm doing in this case. And right now I am simply using Olaplex shampoo and conditioner, right? And this is going to be their conditioning treatment 8 if I'm not mistaken. And I'm just simply taking this cap off. As you can see, my hair is not clean, and just one little shampoo will not be enough. Okay, all of that stuff that was on the cap are things that are within the hair shaft, right? And I have high porosity hair, a cuticle that stays open all the time anyway, and this is only from 2 weeks, right? So imagine what is in your hair and what's coming out of the hair's cuticle after 4 or 5 months. Yeah, so that's pretty much it, you guys. Now I'm just going to shampoo and condition my hair, and then after that I'm going to get out and blow dry my hair and braid it on up, and I'll probably come back after that just for a minute or maybe not, just in case I don't. One thing that you're gonna see pop up on the screen is my length retention batter. All right, and I absolutely love this length retention batter. I am not gonna sell anything, right, like actually making it for you, but I will give you this ebook. Not give you, you gotta buy it on my website. But my length retention batter ebook, it is the exact length retention batter that you're gonna see me use in this video, the same length retention batter that I teach my Guru one-on-one members, and now you can have it for yourself. So this is super easy for you to do if you really just want to take a little itty bitty bit of money and make your own length retention batter to retain the length that you obtain through your process. Then make sure you click the links in the description box below. But yeah, you guys, all of the information is there, and I'll see you later.
ocean, sinking deeper every day. And lately I am missing my reflection in every muddy puddle on the pavement, driving every thought into distortion. But I will get it up, work even harder. My mama used to say that it's the way it goes. Feelings gonna make me smarter, and to realize that the river always ends up in the ocean. Nothing we could ever do about it. Nothing we could ever do but let it flow. The river always ends up in the ocean. Nothing we could ever do about it. No, nothing we could ever do but let it flow. Let it flow. The river could be rising on the mountains, climbing high enough to see the sky, to light up all the colors of its motion, leave every obstacle behind. I promise it could happen any day now, and soon enough I'll also see the light, get a little glimpse of my emotions. Yeah, I will get it up, work even harder. My mama used to say that it's the way it goes. Feelings gonna make me smarter, and to realize that the river always ends up in the ocean. Nothing we could ever do about it. Nothing we could ever do but let it flow. The river always ends up in the ocean. Nothing we could ever do about it. No, nothing we could ever do but let it flow. Let it flow. Always ends up in the ocean. Nothing we could ever do about it. Nothing we could ever do but let it flow. The river always ends up in the ocean. Nothing we could ever do about it. No, nothing we could ever do but let it flow. Let it flow. Nothing we could ever do about it. No, nothing we could ever do but let it flow. Let it flow. I've been thinking about you. Oh yeah. Oh, there ain't no one else that does the things that you do to me. That's why I get nervous. I try to be cool, but you see me the right way. Oh, and I see you too. I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is,
We used to get the wig down was this got to be glued wig spray, right? So this is what we use to get the wig down. And the wig that I'm using, the wig that is on my head is right here. Just put it up there. And then again, I'm going to go ahead. Of course, everybody knows the got to be glued spray. Like, everybody knows what it is. And then the cute little comber jigger thing that I use to smooth everything down is right here. It's super duper easy.